What's going on, guys? My name's Carl for Techademics, and today I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 in 30 days in passive income. So let's get right on with it. Okay, so in fact I'm not going to be showing you how to make this money myself, but an online professional marketer called Liam James K will be himself, just like he did with me. Okay, so when you click on the link below, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Here he will go through a proven method of all the information you need to know before getting started in a step-by-step video format. So what we're going to be doing is selling a subscription service to a website called Builderall. Now you may not heard about Builderall before, but this is what it looks like, and it's basically going to be giving you lots of tools and applications in order to build your business. So you're not only going to be getting a lot of value out of Liam, but you're also going to be getting a lot of value out of Builderall itself. So the way we're going to be selling this program is through affiliate links. Again, you may not heard about affiliate marketing before, but the way it works is you have a subscription service or you have a program, and what you do is you get your own link for that program and you give that to other people. Now when people sign up for that link, you're going to be getting a commission from that link, and in this case it's going to be reoccurring. So for the first month they pay for Builderall, you're going to be getting 100% of the profits, so that's $50. After that, you're going to be getting a 30% commission reoccurring every month until they cancel that subscription. So in this case, you're going to be getting around $20 every month off that one person. So Builderall comes with a earnings calculator, and I'm going to show you the exact numbers you're going to be earning through this program. So for example, if you sell 10 licenses in 1 month, let's say, and how many of them are affiliates, so they're going to be 10 people, so all of them, you're going to be getting an immediate payment of $474. Now bear in mind that's 100% commission. Now after that first month, you're going to be getting a recurring payment of $142 every month without fail, unless they cancel that subscription, which they most likely won't be, because they're going to be doing the same thing as you, which I'll get onto right now. So Builderall has something called a 2-tier affiliate earning system, which is really unheard of, and I assume it's brand new to the market. So what this means, you apply the same rules that I've just said, but basically the person that you've just referred, if they refer another person, you will also get 30% of their profits every month as well. So for example, again, let's just say I have affiliated 10 people to this program, so we're going to get $142 every month, which is great. Now let's just say the further 10 people that you've just affiliated another 10 people, okay? So now our monthly income has jumped up from $142 to, as you can see, $1,564, and that is every month without fail. Now that is just 10 people a month, and they're referring 10 people themselves. So imagine if you did maybe 100 people and they refer 10 people, that's almost double the amount of income you're going to earn. Let's say they refer another 100 people. See, the numbers just keep building up and up, so you're not limited to how much you can earn. And again, Liam's going to be explaining how to do this all in his system if you click the link below. So once you're happy with what he's saying, all you need to do is click on this box here and just need to enter some basic information, and you get emailed another link. So when you click on that link, it's then going to give you access to this page here, which, as it describes it, it gives you access to the perfect product, the perfect sales funnel, and the perfect traffic. So here's a little sneak peek of what you'll be getting. So as you can see, it's all in video format, and it's all on YouTube as well. Now this isn't everything, it's also going to give you access to bonus training with an active Facebook group, which you can join to get tips and tricks from other people doing the exact same thing as you are. I'll also be in there myself in case you need the extra leg up the ladder, so you can personally talk to me if you need any help. I'll also have a link to my Discord in the link below in case you want to chat to me there as well. So what are you waiting for? There are thousands of people doing it right now, just like me. So join the community, click the link below, and you'll be guided through the process to make your first $1,000 a month in pure passive income. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who you may find helpful as well. If you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.